Welcome to SPSPM's Renuka High School, Satara Parisar, Aurangabad. Myself, Mahajan Army, Assistant Teacher of Subject English. Today we are going to learn topic 2.2, the House Builder English Workshop. In this section, we are going to take a look at 2.2, the House Builder English Workshop. First, find from the story the noun forms of the following. First, dedicate, dedication. Second, measure, measurement. Third, decide, decision. Fourth, perfect, perfection. Fifth, own, owner. Sixth, give, gift. Seventh, responsible, responsibility. Eighth, persist, persistence. Second, choose the proper phrase expression to complete the sentences meaningfully. Answers are given here. First, she does her job with full dedication. Second, one should make up one's mind to help others when needed. Third, as Mr. Jadhav was transferred to Chennai, he had to hand over his responsibilities to his assistant. Fourth, the laborer's income was not sufficient to meet the needs of his family. Fifth, because of a fault in the wiring, they will have to send for an electrician. Sixth, mother tried hard to change her son's habits, but to no avail. Seventh, mangoes from Ratnagiri are always in great demand. Third, read the story and answer in your words. The owners of the new houses built by the mason would be extremely pleased. Why? Because the mason always strove to do his work to perfection. He would take a great interest in his work of building and do it with full dedication. He made sure that he used the best construction material of high quality. The measurements of the walls, doorways, arches, etc. were perfect, and he gave an excellent and appealing finish to whatever he built. B. Contractor compensated for the mason's good work. How? The contractor compensated for the mason's good work by gifting him a new house keys. C. The mason made a firm decision to retire when the mason made a firm decision to retire after he became a grandfather. Fourth, read the following words from the story aloud and fill them in the proper columns. Here, answer is given one syllabic word, work, live, door, way, broad, great. Two syllabic, story, building, avail, complete, ready, happy. Three syllabic words, perfection, architect, quality, excellent, documents, ownership. More than three syllabic, responsibility, measurement, material, sufficiently, subsequently. Fifth, words that have the same sound, pronunciation but differ in spellings and meanings are called homophones. For example, hair, H-A-I-R, hair, and H-A-R-E, hair. Pick out from the lesson homophones of the following words. First, waist, waist, W-A-I-S-T, waist, and homophone of the word is W-A-S-T-E, waist. Second, K-N-E-W, new, N-E-W, new. Third, L-O-S-E, loose, L-O-O-S-E, loose. Fourth, M-A-I-D, made, M-A-D-E, made. Fifth, G-R-A-T-E, grade, G-R-E-A-T, grade. Sixth, one, W-O-N, one, O-N-E, one. Seventh, S-I-G-S-T, site, S-I-T-E, site. Eight, W-E-E-K, week, W-E-A-K, week. 9, W-O-U-L-D, wood, W-O-O-D, wood. 10, S-E-A-C, S-E-E-C. B. Select any 3 pairs of homophones from above and make simple sentences of your own to show the difference in their meaning. First, he knew the answer. Second, she was a new student. Second, this is the last week of month. He is so weak. Third, I see an animal on the road. The sea is blue. Thank you. Next lecture, lecture 12, topic name 2.3, the little river. Thank you.